Are you confused about how you can use social media in your business to generate sales, get more leads, and to build brand awareness around your products, services, and your online business? If these are your questions, you're in the right video because I got you, partner. Hi there, my name is Sai Montes and this is the Sai Montes Show. I'm an online business coach and I help creative and solopreneurs just like you build your dream business, attract your ideal clients, and increase your sales without feeling overwhelmed and confused about strategies on sales and marketing. I'm gonna be your online business coach for today, and I will help you turn your passion into a profitable business. If you are new in this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always get the latest updates on my current video and learn how to grow your business online and never miss a free training just like this one. So about a year ago, I wrote an article on my blog and it was actually a hit. So that gave me an idea to give you in this video 5 tips on how to use social media so you can create brand awareness, you can start getting sales on social media, and so you can get more leads in your business. So let's go ahead and dive right in and start with tip number 1, and that is know your social media goals. I'm all about planning and making sure that you set yourself up for success. And at this point, as of recording this video, it's the middle of the year. And if you still don't know how to plan for your business, set your goals, and how to set yourself up for success by the end of this year, then I have this video right here. You can check it out, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to set your business goals the right way in 7 easy steps. So again, make sure to watch this video right here. And once you have your business goals in place, all you have to do now is to translate that on social media. What would those goals mean on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, right? So you have to define your social media goals. And to help you out with this one, I have some questions that you need to ask yourself. Question number 1 is, do you want more people talking about you? Well, that's brand awareness. Question number 2, do you want more people buying from you? Well, that is increasing your sales. And question number 3, do you want more people to recommend your products? That is the viral part of your business, and that is people actually becoming your brand ambassadors and promoting your products and your services on your behalf. So you have to be clear on what would be the goal for your business to be on social media. What do you want to achieve in exchange of your time? And mind you, as solopreneurs, time is really valuable for us, right? We are accountable from marketing, sales, finance, and sourcing products and looking for suppliers and things like that, right? So you have to make sure that in exchange of your time and creating content on social media, the platform that you will choose will actually give something in return to you. Now, a lot of business owners, a lot of solopreneurs just like yourself, make the mistake of just being on social media because everybody else is there. Well, you have to get out of that mindset and make sure that you look at social media from a business perspective. Meaning you have to make sure that at the end of the day, you have some sort of ROI in your business, whether that's awareness, whether that's in sales, or whether the measurement is just referrals, right? So you have to set your goals and your key metrics as well, or what we call the KPIs, or the key performance indicators. How will you know that at the end of the day, you actually achieved your goals? So go ahead and ask yourself the questions that I told you earlier, and then think of a way for you to measure that. So if that is sale, of course, that's monetary. How many people are actually buying from you? If that's a referral, how many people are actually buying from you and then they're referring more people from you? If that's about brand awareness, how many people are actually seeing your post and how many people are clicking on it, right? So you have to set your social media goals and your KPIs as well. Now let's move to tip number 2, and that is know where your customers are actually hanging out. So this is very important. As I've said earlier, time is valuable for solopreneurs like us, and you don't want to spread yourself too thin by being on every social media platform. A lot of people do ask me, Sai, do I need to be on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube at the same time? And my answer is always no. You have to at least choose at the maximum 2, and I would recommend to start with just one platform, and then if you have more people helping you in your social media marketing efforts, then you can add more to that one. But at this point, when you're still starting out, you're a solopreneur, you're a one-man or one-woman show, make sure to concentrate on just one and at the maximum 2 social media platforms. So how do you know where your customers are actually hanging out? That might be your next question. And my answer is actually do your research. Do a market research. It's as simple as going to your current customers and asking them, hey, where are you spending most of your time in? Are you mostly on Facebook? Are you using Instagram more than YouTube? Or if you're gonna rank these social media platforms, which would be your number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the list goes on, right? So all you have to do now is to collect the data, and it's as simple as tallying the answers of your customers, and from there you'll know, okay, well, my customers are actually not on Facebook. I keep on posting on Facebook. They're actually on TikTok, right? Then that will be your cue on where to be in. So if your customers are mostly on TikTok, then be on TikTok. Or if, for example, since TikTok, as of recording this video, is the newest thing on social media, if you're spending your time there creating content just because it's the new shiny object, and knowing that your customers are on Instagram, you're actually losing the opportunity of people seeing you, seeing your brand, and exposing your brand in front of these customers and potential clients, right? So never waste your time. Do your research. Ask them where they are hanging out, and then be where they are. That's it. Now let's move ahead to tip number 3, and that is knowing what to highlight. A lot of times on social media, especially if you have a lot of products and a lot of services, you promote every single one every single day. You have to make sure that you highlight at least 1 to 2 products every month, so you really expose your customers and your ideal clients to your products, to your services, and so that they can understand what it is really all about and how it can help them. A single post about this product and a single video about this service might not do the job. So you have to make sure that every month you're focused on at least 1 up to 2 product or services that you want to promote on social media. People actually get turned off when you're always promoting on your social media pages. So you have to make sure that you also vary your post from selling and to actually providing value to your customers. Which leads us to tip number 4, and that is make sure that you provide value to your followers and customers on social media. It's not always about selling. They get turned off, especially if you're the customer, right? If you always see on your feed that this page is always promoting, you just tend to just scroll up and don't read the post, right? Because you know that it's another selling post. And it's the same thing with your business. Make sure that you vary your content from actual pieces of videos and photos that gives value to their life. And it's as easy as providing an inspirational quote, right? Make sure that you also include them in your content. Highlight your customers and make them feel special. You have to make sure that you're actually adding value to their life without selling them anything. And let me tell you, if you do that, they're gonna thank you and they're gonna love you more. And let's move to the last piece of tip for today, and that is tip number 5. Make sure to post consistently on social media. So a lot of people say content is king, but I disagree. Yes, at some point I do agree with that one, but the true king is actually consistency. So make sure that you're always putting out valuable content in front of your customers. And if you don't know how to create a consistent flow of social media content for your business, I have this video right here to help you out. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly plan a full month of content for your business. And you can also get my social media content calendar. It's the same calendar that I'm using in my business and how I exactly plan videos like this one. So go ahead and check this video right here. And you can also check the description down below to get access to my free social media content calendar. So those are my 5 tips for you, but I'm not stopping because I'm so pumped today, and I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Tip number 6 for today is actually being human on social media. There's a reason why social media is called social, right? You need to be human. You have to be interacting with your customers and your followers online. If they ask you a question, reply back. If they send you a DM, reply back. If they send you something in the comment section, ask you a question, reply back. Make sure that you also make them feel that there is someone, a human behind your brand on social media that they can easily get in touch with. One of the reasons why brands are actually on social media is also to connect with their customers online. The more you connect with them, the more that they will interact with you, the more that it will actually help you be BFFs with the algorithm gods, because that's engagement. If you want to learn more how to attract your ideal clients and grow your online business just by using social media, I'm inviting you to join my group coaching program. I call this one my Social Media and Business Blueprint. It's a 12-week group coaching program where we will talk about branding, sales, and marketing, and how you can use social media as your #1 tool in generating leads, getting more sales in your business, and ultimately growing your business and making it more profitable online. The Social Media and Business Blueprint is actually not yet open, but you can join the waitlist at www.saimontes.com/SMB, so you'll be updated when the door opens for enrollment. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button so I know that this was really helpful to you. And I'm curious, what's the #1 tip that you'll start applying in your business right after watching this video? Let me know your thoughts and your answer down in the comment section below, and I'm so excited to read them all. And if you're watching this video on my blog, there is a podcast version of this training right here down in this video, so you can just listen to that one as you're doing your thing, packaging and probably running errands, right? And make sure to also follow my podcast. It's available on Spotify, Apple Podcasts. I have one in Google Podcasts and in Overcast. So if you want to get updates on my latest training, make sure to go to www.saimontes.com/free training and spread the word. You can share that with your friends so they can also get updates on my latest business training like this one right here. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this was really helpful, and I'm gonna see you in my next video training. Bye!